Hi there, I wanted to do a quick video on this mango lassi flavored chia seed pudding. So mango is a fruit that I've grown up eating my whole life. I'm half Filipino, so whenever they were in season and pretty much whenever I went to my grandparents' house, there were like mangoes available. And I have a close friend who loves mangoes, but they are very high carb. So I wanted to make a high fiber, a low carb version of like a mango lassi, which is like basically mango yogurt smoothie that could satisfy her mango craving, but not derail her carbs or force her to like not eat any carbs for the rest of the day. So this is my solution to that problem. I'm using Too Good, which is a Danone product. It's a Greek low-fat yogurt with reduced carbs, and it already has a little bit of sweetener in it, and I'm using the vanilla flavor. So we're not going to add erythritol to this, also because I'm using Primal Kitchen's Mango Pineapple Collagen Quench. This is going to pump up the protein and also add a little bit of flavor. And then I'm using organic mango powder. This is like dried mango powder flavoring. It only has about 4 carbs per serving, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of this. And then I'm also using the juice from 1 lemon and also the zest. It works out to be about a teaspoon of zest and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And that's gonna give us a nice tang. My friend Rebecca's grandmother used to say the lemon kicks the vanilla and the vanilla kicks the lemon. So that's how we're doing it today. And then of course, chia seeds. So let me get my scooper just so I can measure it. Got my tablespoon. We're going to go ahead and put the yogurt in. And I'm using 2 containers of the Too Good, so this is going to make like 2 servings. Pretty much 2 of everything except the lemon in this recipe. And you can half this recipe and make 1, but I do it this way so that I don't have to save half a lemon's juice. And then I'm doing 2 tablespoons of the collagen quench powder. Which does smell very mango pineapple-y. And then 2 tablespoons of our bright orange mango powder. Give that a stir. It can be hard when you consider giving up your favorite foods to have a low carb diet, but I generally don't like the idea of completely restricting foods in your diet. Moderation looks different when you're trying to lose weight because moderation when you're maintaining weight is definitely not the same as moderation when you're trying to lose weight, right? If you apply the moderation for maintaining weight when you're trying to lose it, you're not going to lose any weight. So what I try to do is find a way to create enjoyable food that makes it possible for me to stick to a low carb diet when I'm trying to keep my carbs down, so that when I do want a treat like an apple turnover or a bowl of fresh fruit, I'm not completely derailing myself when I do have it. But if you can have something every day that reminds you of something that you love and, satisfies that craving, I think it's worth it. And it's a better solution because then when you do have those things, they truly are treats. So this smells fantastic. I love the way this smells. It's something about like the lemon and the pineapple and the mango, just really good. And then remember, my scoop is 2 tablespoons, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You want to definitely not go more than like a tablespoon of chia seeds per serving until you have really developed a love for chia seeds, because it can be a little bit overwhelming if you're new to it. But all right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight to soak, and then I'll see you back here in the morning to taste test our mango lassi chia seed pudding. All right, moment of truth. Mango lassi chia pudding. See how we did. That was pretty darn good. That is a definite win. Yeah, that is delicious. It doesn't even need additional sweetener because of that Too Good vanilla yogurt. It really, really kicks it up a notch. You might be able to get away with another tablespoon of the mango powder, but I like this just as it is. I would eat this all the time. This is pretty good. Enjoy.